right, what to say about radishes? Well, this root originally started in the Mediterranean and then kind of spread left and right around the globe. So you've got like big white daikons over in China, and then there's more smaller elongated red French breakfast in Europe, and all colors in between. So here at Little Grass this season, what we've got growing is actually kind of a golf ball sized one called Easter egg. So there's colors from the purples and pinks to reds and white, but they're all little small globes. So we're gonna go into the field and show you something that we sometimes do for a harvest called thinning out. So that's when basically we seeded everything directly, it grew up, but they were growing at different rates. So some of them are actually fully mature, whereas other ones are kind of a little smaller and we want to give them a more space. So what you're gonna do, we have them marked right now at 4 roots per share. So as always, you double that if you have 2 shares. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna have a little treasure hunt in the field where you find the golf ball sized ones, yank those out, and then leave the littler ones to size up. Let's do it. So these are the radishes. You can see a couple things in the row. So often for greens, we have several things planted and we mark the beginning of the row. So this is actually purple bok choy. This is the radishes, and then there's some mixed greens over there. The tops are edible, which is really great, raw or cooked. But then when you look here in the roots, you can see this is a great one, and then you got this little guy that needs to get a little more space. So we'll just pull this, we'll pull this, we'll leave those to size up. Look down here, this one is a lot bigger. So we're gonna take this one and leave this one to size up. It'll grow really quickly. These have been in just over a month. So they grow quite quickly. We'll take that. That probably wasn't the biggest one. And then let's see, we'll scoot down and then kind of thin out this pack right here. Get that one, and that one. There's some whites and some other colors mixed in. Honestly, all I do is just hose them off, slice them thinly, and put salt on them. You could try smoked salt. You could try thyme or toasted sesame seeds. But if you do want to cook them, you can braise the tops and the roots together, maybe in butter or your preferred oil. You can add them to soups and things like that. If you have a favorite pickle, you can use them as a quick pickle. So maybe you like a brine with like a rice vinegar, or maybe you like an apple cider vinegar and any kind of spices that you enjoy. So that's thinning out the radish patch. You'll see that for other examples of crops. We might do that for beets, we might do it for bok choy, anything that we want to give a little bit more space and let the little guys size up. So enjoy the radishes. See you in the field.